Most drivers spend more time choosing a phone charger than they do windshield wipers. But here's the strange part. According to Consumer Reports, expensive wiper blades don't always outperform cheap ones. In many tests, budget brands matched or even beat premium competitors. And because nearly every blade loses effectiveness after a few months, replacing them regularly matters more than paying extra. Even more surprising, some of the cheapest brands on the shelf helped build the entire windshield wiper industry. Here are 7 overlooked brands that deserve far more attention. Number 1. ANCO. ANCO has been around for more than 100 years, but it did not start as a wiper company. Founded in 1918, it originally made parts for the Ford Model T. Everything changed when founder John Anderson got caught in a rainstorm and could not find replacement wiper blades anywhere. That frustrating experience inspired him to create one of the first aftermarket replacement blade businesses in America. The idea was a huge success, and today, ANCO is still known for reliable, affordable wipers that prove you do not have to spend a fortune for good visibility. Number 2. Trico. If ANCO popularized replacement blades, Trico helped create the industry itself. The company was founded in 1917 after John R. Oishé experienced a frightening accident during heavy rain caused by poor visibility. Determined to solve the problem, he helped develop one of the first successful windshield wipers for automobiles. Over the next century, Trico introduced innovations that made windshield wipers safer and more effective, earning its place as one of the most influential names in automotive history. Number 3. RainX. Most people know RainX for one thing: making rain disappear from your windshield. The brand actually began with a special water-repellent coating originally developed for aircraft before becoming popular with everyday drivers. In 2001, RainX expanded into wiper blades, combining its famous water-repellent technology with the blades themselves. Instead of simply wiping water away, RainX also helps rain slide off the glass, making it one of the most recognizable names in the category. Number 4. PIAA. PIAA took a different approach. Founded in Japan, the company first became famous for premium driving lights before entering the wiper market. Its biggest innovation was replacing traditional rubber with silicone. Every swipe leaves behind a thin, water-repellent layer that helps improve visibility even after the wipers stop moving. They cost a little more than standard blades, but many drivers consider the longer lifespan worth the extra money. Number 5. Valeo. There's a good chance you've already used a Valeo wiper without realizing it. That's because Valeo supplies original equipment wipers to many of the world's biggest automakers. In other words, the same company that makes factory-installed blades also sells replacements at a much lower price. Thanks to their durability and smooth performance, Valeo blades have become a favorite among mechanics and car enthusiasts looking for original equipment quality without dealership prices. Number 6. Bosch Icon. When it comes to automotive engineering, Bosch hardly needs an introduction. Its Icon wiper blade has built a reputation as one of the best in the industry thanks to its durable rubber and beam-style design, which applies even pressure across the windshield. Independent reviews consistently rank it near the top for performance and longevity. It isn't the cheapest option, but many drivers feel the extra durability makes it well worth the investment. Number 7. Michelin. The last brand is probably the biggest surprise. Most people assume Michelin manufactures its own wiper blades because it's one of the world's most famous tire companies. It doesn't. Instead, Michelin licenses its name to another manufacturer. But that hasn't stopped its wiper blades from earning thousands of positive reviews, especially the popular Stealth Ultra, known for its hybrid design and reliable performance in harsh weather. Sometimes the name on the box tells only part of the story. So, which brand should you choose? The truth is, there's no single perfect answer. Consumer testing has shown that expensive blades don't always outperform cheaper ones, and almost every wiper blade starts losing effectiveness after several months of regular use. The smartest investment isn't necessarily buying the most expensive blade, it's replacing your old ones before they become a safety risk. The next time you're shopping for windshield wipers, don't overlook the brands everyone else walks past. Some of the best values on the shelf come from companies that have spent decades, sometimes more than a century, perfecting something most drivers never think about. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments which wiper brand you've had the best experience with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and we'll see you in the next one.